In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of receiving money in your PayPal account. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. First, when you signed up for PayPal, you created an email address which also serves as your PayPal email. To receive money, the sender simply needs to utilize that email when starting the transaction. So, if someone wants to send you money, they can easily do so by clicking on Send and entering your email address. To make it even simple, all you have to do is to provide the sender with your PayPal email. Let's for example say that your email is testemail92@gmail.com. By sharing this email with the sender, they can input it in the right field and proceed to send you the desired amount. It really is that effortless. No additional step or action are required on your part to receive the funds. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by leaving a like. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video.